Welcome to our channel. If you're starting a business or need an EIN, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process without any hassle. Welcome to our channel if you are planning to start a business, apply for a tax ID number, or just need an employer identification number or EIN from the IRS. You are in the right place. This guide will take you through the process step by step, so you can get your EIN quickly. And without confusion, step 1. Understand what an EIN is. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number given by the IRS to business entities for identification purposes. It functions like a social security number for businesses and is required for filing taxes, opening a bank account, hiring employees, and other business activities. Step 2. Determine if you need an EIN. Not every business requires an EIN, but it is essential if you operate as a corporation or partnership, if you have employees, or if you meet IRS requirements. Step 3. Gather required information. Before applying, make sure you have all the information ready, including the legal name of your business, your address, the responsible party's name, and social security number, your type of entity, and the reason for applying. Step 4. Choose your application method. You can apply online by visiting the official IRS website, where the process is fast, and you receive your EIN immediately. Other methods include applying by fax, mail, or telephone for international applicants. Step 5. Apply online. If you choose the online option, go to the IRS EIN application page, read the instructions carefully, and fill out the form with accurate information. Submit the application. Once submitted and validated, you will receive your EIN immediately. Step 6. Apply by fax or mail if you prefer or need to apply. Fax or mail. Download Form SS4 from the IRS website. Complete the form with care and send it to the appropriate fax number or address listed on the IRS site. Waiting times vary, but online is faster. Step 7. For international applicants. If you do not have a legal residence or principal place of business in the United States, you can apply for your EIN by calling the IRS at the number dedicated for international applicants. They will help guide you through the process. Step 8. Keep your EIN safe. After receiving your EIN, make sure to keep the document safe and accessible. You will use it for many business transactions and tax filing. Step 9. Use your EIN properly. Your EIN is crucial for payroll tax, reporting tax returns, and opening business bank accounts. Use it carefully and avoid sharing it unnecessarily, so you protect your business identity. Getting an EIN from the IRS is a straightforward process as long as you follow the right steps and have the correct information at hand. With this guide, you can confidently complete the application process and focus on growing your business. Remember to check IRS updates or consult a professional if you have unusual circumstances. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guides.